Сидеть. Сядь. Bima, сидеть, сидеть.
Good. So press the bell again.
Bima. How to stop this? Bima. Фу, нельзя. Нельзя. Фу. Сидеть.
Good. Wait for her to settle. Ask her to sit.
Сидеть. Сядь. Сидеть. Сидеть. Сядь, сядь. Shall I try this?
Yeah, when you're ready.
Нельзя.
But you see, each time she's getting calmer and quieter. And if you practice this repeatedly, a little each day, you can help retrain her. Now she's calm and quiet, you can feed her.
На, молодец.
Good.
Сиди.
So this is all without, when you're ready.
Нельзя, Bima, нельзя. Нельзя.
Good, and she's more able to listen to you. Okay? Good. Feed her now.
На.
Good. So you see also how calm and controlled this is.
Нельзя. She's still
Okay, that's okay. But this is absolutely the first time you've ever done it. Just wait. Don't press the button too early. So you want to have, because if you repeatedly pressed it too frequently, she would potentially become overexcited. So feed her now because she's relaxed.
Молодец. Молодец.
Good. It's a good dog. So when you're ready, you can press the bell again.
Сиди тихо, тихонько.
Feed her now, because that was barely.
It was better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Молодец, умничка.
Good. It's a good dog. She's a good Bima. She's a good girl. Yeah, that's it. So you're waiting for your moment. Good.
Сядь, сядь, сидеть, сидеть. Сидеть, Bima, сидеть.
Good.
Сидеть.
Lovely.
Сиди.
So you're quite right, because what you're doing here is you're maintaining her calmness, because you are directing this little session. You're in control. Okay? When you're ready. Ooh, no barking.
Молодец, умница.
Bima's a clever girl.
That's magic. This is magic.
I love
Bima.
it. I love it. Well done. How sweet is that? What a clever girl.
Молодец,
What a clever
умничка.
girl. But I'll
She's
tell you what,
clever.
I would actually finish, again, as we said in the park, I would finish on that nice positive note.
Yeah, so shall we stop now?
Yeah. Because,
Oh,
you know,
that's
let's
cute.
quit whilst we're ahead. But that puts you in a very good position in readiness for your next little session. Okay? He's a good girl.
Умничка, все, молодец, молодец.